I'm very happy to be here today. The first of all, I would like to introduce myself to you. My name is Bayeso. I'm 16 years old. I live in Hasano village at Wong district, Sisibun province. I'm a student here and study at Sisibun High School. So today I would like to say thanks so much for the best time to call to the presentation to be here today. So give me please. My topic is work at home. So let's know together. Okay, start. Every day in the morning, I get up 6 o'clock a.m. Sometimes I get up 5 o'clock a.m. After I get up, sometimes I cook, and sometimes my sister-in-law cook for in the morning. At 7 o'clock 30 minutes, I'm eating breakfast. After I eat breakfast finish, I will go to the school until 11 o'clock 30 minutes. After I leave school, I'm getting home and eating lunch. Evening, I'm going to school and study at school. After I leave school, every day, every in the morning, every evening, sometimes I study at school for study. Sometimes I get home, I will go to my homework, do my homework and do work at home. After I do my homework, I work at home. Finish, I go to the school because I still study English at 4 o'clock up to 5 o'clock p.m. After I leave school, I come back after arrive my house. I will cooking and clean my food all night. I eat dinner at 7 o'clock 30 minutes. After finish dinner, I will test a shower. I'm going to the bathroom and coding lesson and do my homework. Takes 2 hours and about 11 o'clock 30 minutes I sleep. Until right now, my teaching is easy. If you have any question, please ask me.
Okay, do you have any question?
No.
Okay, so Banyang, very well today you made it better. But I want to tell you, the next time you should be prepared the best more than the last time, okay? So thank you. Sit down please.